Hi everyone, let me unbox the Havells hairdryer HD3151 for you all today, and you can see that the box clearly states that it has three parts. One is the hairdryer, then a nozzle and an instruction manual that comes with it for your ease, and also Havells is providing home service within 24 hours, which is amazing. Then when we look at the box, we can also know that it comes with a 2-year guarantee and it is a 1600 watt hairdryer for gentle and efficient hair drying. Then the box also mentions the key features of the product which I feel is great, such as concentrator for focused airflow, cool short button, 2 heat settings, foldable handle and a hanging loop. Let me just open this and show you what the product looks like. When you unbox this product, the first thing that you see right here is the operating instruction manual, which I feel is super helpful because it comes with all the needful details that you need to know about the product. Then we have a clear nozzle right here which is attachable with the hair dryer and it helps as an air concentrator for better styling. Then coming to the main product, this is what the hair dryer looks like, and I feel it's super pretty because it's very smooth in texture and I personally love the color. I can also feel that it comes in a very compact size which makes it easy for storage and carrying, which is amazing. Then it has this foldable handle right here. And then when you open it, you see that it comes with 2 heat settings, warm and hot, which makes it convenient for you to style your hair as per your wish. The best thing about this product, what I personally feel, is this cool short button right here. So this is meant for a long-lasting hairstyle which can be used after you're done styling your hair according to the heat setting that you want. I personally really like this hair dryer, and I also like the fact that it comes with this loop right here which makes it convenient for storage and for hanging if you wish to do so. So I'm very happy with this hair dryer because I feel I can easily use this. It's compact and it's going to perform great because it is 1600 watts, which is amazing. So this is it about the hair dryer and I hope you guys like it. So please stay tuned for more videos.